Hello everyone and welcome back once again to my channel. Today I'll be taking you to a beautiful wildlife sanctuary. It's beautiful and just awesome. When I say it's awesome, it has to be Awesome Assam. It's Nameri National Park, our destination for today, which is situated in the foothills of the eastern Himalayas in the Sonitpur district of Assam, India, and it is approximately 35 kilometers away from Tezpur. Nameri's history as a wildlife park dates back to the year 1978. Later in 1985, it went on to become a wildlife sanctuary, followed by the year 1998 when it got the status of a national park. Then again in the year 1999 and 2000, Nameri was declared as a tiger reserve. These are Asiatic dogs found in the sanctuary. This national park is famous for the white-winged duck. In Assamese, we call it Deoha. It is famous for these ducks. You will get to see elephants in this national park. Nameri is home to the endangered species like the white-winged wood duck, sloth, bear, tiger, leopard, clouded leopard, sambar gaur, Indian wild dog, 4 varieties of hornbill and many other winged species. Herds of elephants, the river Jia Bhoroli and the hill Goria Mas, as we call it in Assamese, are some other things that Nameri is famous for. Two types of activities are available for tourists in this national park. One is a trekking to the forest and the other is rafting, which is very famous. Rafting on the Jia Bhoroli river will cost you around 3,200 for the season 2024, and for the next year the prices are estimated to rise a little bit. After checking into the eco camp and doing all the permits, we are going to the rafting point. As you can see, the vehicles are loaded with these rafts for rafting. 4-seater rafts will cost you around 3,200 with 2 boatmen. This is the spot, and from here we are going to do rafting for 2 hours on the river Jia Bhoroli. A dream come true for me, and what a lovely experience. Here we are rafting. What a beautiful interaction with nature, the lovely winds, the waves. It's very mesmerizing experience. You can just feel and you can't explain. The waves, it's just awesome. This is what we call Awesome Assam. My kids and father enjoying rafting with me on the Jia Bhoroli river. Life is too short to stay on the shore, so it's better to go rafting. Jia Bhoroli, what a beautiful river. We could see the sunset while rafting. What a lovely experience it was. Our rafting ended at this point and we were picked up again to a eco camp. An experience which will always remain with you, and I'm sharing with you, my YouTube viewers, today. These are some clips during the rafting trip. Earlier there was a fishing competition, what we call it the angling competition, was held on this Jia Bhoroli river, which is banned now. My stay in the camp. There are many homestays and camps for your accommodation, of which I would like to mention Balizora camp, and I am providing you the number of the camp manager, and you can contact him for your rafting and trekking, whatever you like to do. The national park receives tourists, especially foreigners, from December to May, and this park is obviously booked and filled with foreigners for bird watching, trekking and rafting. So you need to have a booking to visit Nameri. Tourists stay in the camps and do bird watching, photography and their research works. For the works they come to India, to Assam, to Awesome Assam. Lovely cottages are available to spend the night in the camp. Rafting time includes from morning 6:30 to 1:30 p.m. and for the trekking, again you have from 6:30 to 10:30 and one in the evening. And in the evening you can go for trekking in the forest from timing 1 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. Viewers, this national park is so beautiful. I just want to visit it again. I missed to watch the migratory birds in my last visit. Come and visit this beautiful national park. You can trek, you can go for rafting, you can stay in the camp, enjoy the beautiful food, the scenery. It's just awesome, and it's beautiful Assam. If you have come this far to my video and still watching, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Please hit the like button, and it's me, Smrita Sekar, signing off from the Tiger Reserve National Park. It's bye for now.